Dogs are one of the most loyal animals found on this planet. They are very special pets, help in defensive purposes like guard dogs, and are also useful in crime investigation due to their amazing capability of smell. There are also several types of dogs that are very powerful, possess incredible strength, and have very strong bite force. These powerful dogs are highly demanding and can be used for various purposes. In this video, we are going to Number 10. Dogo Argentino. These dogs are native to Argentina and are pure white. They are considered one of the most powerful and strong dogs in the world. Dogo Argentino is large and commonly used for hunting pumas and boars. They are also known for their bravery and have a beautiful athletic body. This dog breed is capable of traveling long distances because of its high stamina. They are humble, cheerful, and can weigh up to 100 pounds. Their average life expectancy is 9 to 15 years. This dog breed has a massive bite force of 500 psi. Wow! Number 9. American Pit Bull Terrier. These dogs have enormous power and are therefore used in weight-pulling competitions. They have beautiful, muscular, strong bodies covered by a thick coat. The pit bull is a quick learner and can be a best friend if trained well. They can weigh up to 70 pounds and have a life expectancy of 12 to 16 years. This dog breed has a bite force of 235 psi. Number 8. Irish Wolfhound. At number 8 on the list is the Irish Wolfhound, another strong and powerful breed. These are also the tallest dogs in the world and are capable of running with high speed. The Irish Wolfhound has a beautiful and muscular body and comes in many colors, such as white, black, or red. These dogs are so powerful that they can hunt deer, wolves, or boar. They can weigh up to 120 pounds and are very courageous. These dogs are not that aggressive and have a life expectancy of about 6 to 8 years. The biting force of this dog is still unknown. Number 7. Siberian Husky. Siberian Huskies are medium-sized dogs with good endurance. These powerful dogs have incredible strength and usually work in a pack. The Siberian Husky is very loyal, friendly, and graceful. They have a beautiful thick coat and black-colored eyes. Due to their strength, this dog breed is also used to carry the load in different areas of the world. Siberian Huskies are perfect for weight pulling and racing. Their average life expectancy is 12 to 14 years. Siberian Huskies can weigh about 45 to 60 pounds. This dog breed has a bite force of 320 psi. Number 6. Rottweiler. The Rottweiler is another powerful dog breed and a gentle playmate as well. They have a beautiful smooth coat covered by various colored stripes. These dogs are also used as guard dogs and have a big, muscular body. Initially, they were also used as guide dogs for blind people. The Rottweiler is the descendant of Roman drover types of dogs, and during the First and Second World Wars, they played numerous key roles. This breed of dogs is loving, loyal, and friendly. It can weigh up to 135 pounds and has a life expectancy of 9 to 10 years. This dog has a bite force of 328 psi. Number 5. Caucasian Ovcharka. This dog breed occupies position number 5 on our list of the most powerful dogs in the world. They are commonly found in the Caucasus mountain regions and are very muscular. These dogs are larger and play the role of guard dogs in the mountains. Caucasian dogs are fearless and can be used to save your sheep from predators. They have sharp hearing skills and weigh up to 170 pounds. Their average life expectancy is 10 to 12 years. This dog breed has an incredible bite force of 550 to 700 psi. Number 4. Rhodesian Ridgeback. This dog breed is commonly found in Russia and is known for its great strength. The Rhodesian Ridgeback is an all-purpose dog and is mostly used for tracking and baying animals. These dogs are very powerful and fast and are mostly used for racing. They are a wheat shade in color and have a brown nose. The Rhodesian Ridgeback is also a perfect housekeeper and is famous for its power and stamina. These dogs are affectionate and loving and can weigh up to 85 pounds. This dog breed has a bite force of 224 psi. Number 3. Saint Bernard. These dogs were initially used as guards in the Saint Bernard area, which is where they got their name. They are commonly known for their incredible strength and power throughout the world. The Saint Bernard is very obedient and has a massive and muscular body. They are also used in weight-pulling competitions and other tough tasks. This dog breed has beautiful black eyes and wrinkled brows. The Saint Bernard is quite calm in temperament, and their average life expectancy is 8 to 10 years. This dog breed has a bite force of 195 psi. Number 2. Kangal. The Kangal is an ideal dog in dealing with predators and is found mostly in Turkey. It has a large head, wide ears, and a curly tail. Their bodies are gray, covered by a beautiful double coat. The Kangal is courageous, brave, and very friendly with children. However, they must be trained well before allowing them to play with children. This breed of dog is very powerful and can weigh up to 145 pounds. They are also used for house dogs. They have a life expectancy of 12 to 15 years and a bite force of 743 psi.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out our other amazing videos on our channel and give us a like if you've enjoyed this video so far.
Number 1. Tibetan Mastiff. At the top of the list of the most powerful dog breeds in the world is the Tibetan Mastiff. It is considered to be the strongest dog in the world. They have big, muscular bodies covered with beautiful black and brown hair. The Tibetan Mastiff needs proper exercise to maintain their body and can weigh up to 150 pounds. They have a life expectancy of 10 to 12 years, and this dog breed has a bite force of 556 psi.